Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy lip gloss. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, including a lip gloss base, carrier oils, and flavorings. Next, you'll gently melt your base to achieve a smooth, workable consistency. Then, we'll infuse it with delightful cotton candy flavor and a touch of color. Finally, we'll pour it into tubes and let it set, creating your very own sweet treat. To begin, you'll need a good quality lip gloss base, such as Versagel, along with nourishing oils like jojoba or vitamin E oil and cotton candy flavor oil. Measure out about 2 tablespoons of your chosen lip gloss base. Place it in a heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Stir gently until the base is fully melted and has a smooth, liquid consistency. Once your base is melted, remove it from the heat. Now it's time to add the magic. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of cotton candy flavor oil. For that signature cotton candy look, add a few drops of pink cosmetic pigment. Mix everything thoroughly until the color is evenly distributed throughout the gloss. You can add more pigment if you prefer a deeper shade. With your flavored and colored gloss ready, carefully pour the warm mixture into clean lip gloss tubes. You can use a syringe or a small funnel for a mess-free transfer. Allow the filled tubes to cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour until the gloss solidifies. Once cooled, cap them securely. Your delightful homemade cotton candy lip gloss is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.